Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It is the Daily Trainer, and this is the second time I'm back today, and I'm telling you in every way that I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the gym every day for the game that you love to play. Basketball, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is our two-a-day segment, and I'm ready to get after it. I hope you are too. So let's go. So get that basketball, and the first things first, we're dribbling. Okay, we got our right hand. We're going to go low with our right hand. This is going to be 30 seconds. We're going to go mid with our right hand. This is going to be 30 seconds. And then we're going to go high with our right hand. And this is also going to be 30 seconds. Don't forget, you got to use your left hand too. So we're going to go low with our left hand. We're going to go mid with our left hand, and we're going to go high with our left hand. Again, this is going to be 30 seconds long. I need you to understand the importance of pushing through the tightness, pushing through a little bit of the pain, and being sure that you are pounding that basketball so that you can get a quick result and a quick return on that bounce. Okay? Then we're going to go with our crossover. Very simple crossover, throwing it back and forth. It could be low and tight. It can be long and wide. Whatever you prefer is fine. Okay, that's going to be 30 seconds. And then we're going to go with our in and out dribble. Okay, we're bringing it across our body. We're only keeping one hand on the ball. And we got 30 seconds there as well. Okay, we have to keep it tight. Okay, we're working on control, but we don't want to lose control of that basketball, even though we're trying to go as hard as possible. Okay, now we are going to use our pound dribble with our crossover. So you're going to pound cross, pound cross, pound cross. That will be your rhythm. And then we're going to go through our legs back and forth. We're not going to alternate yet, just back and forth through the same leg. We're going to do 30 seconds there. And then we're switching our legs. We're doing 30 seconds there. Okay, remember, we're focusing on all dribbling right now. And we're not moving, everything's going to be stationary. We're going to move it just a little bit. Okay. Be sure to take a little bit of a break in between as you start to get tired, right? You got to rest your back because a lot of us won't sit down. We'll bend our backs. So if you have to rest your back a little bit, that's okay. Stand up and just kind of pound that ball and kind of loosen up and then get back down in that stance and get ready to go. Okay, basketball youth, I know you're a little tired, so go ahead and get some drinks of water and then be ready to get back out there with that basketball. Okay, to keep your legs moving, we want to make sure that you are going full speed on this full court alternating dribble drill. We are going to go up and down the court 10 times total, and you're going to lay it up just so you can get up a quick shot. We're going to go 5 on the right side, 5 on the left side. Okay, we want you to work on your footwork as well as work on your speed pushing the basketball. The key here isn't to just throw the ball and run after it. We want to throw it, engaging our other hand with the ball as we're running. All we're trying to do is add 2 steps extra than we probably would get if we were just dribbling with one hand. Okay, that is the key in the whole point of alternating the basketball. So we're going to do that for a full 10 times on the court. Okay, then we're going to get back to what we were doing on the baseline and dribbling again. Okay, now we are incorporating all our dribble moves with walking. So now we're going to dribble the ball low and walk. We're going to dribble the ball mid and walk. We're going to dribble the ball high and walk. Okay, you can walk to half court, or you can do it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, whichever you prefer, whatever works in your realm of basketball scenery. Okay, remember, we're going to do this with the right hand. We're going to do this with the left hand. Then we're going to walk the pound cross, and then we're going to go with our simple just crossover. Again, you can go wide, you can go tight. Okay, all this is a walk. We're not doing the actual move just yet. Okay, then we're walking up the through the legs. Okay, we're also doing our in and out. Bring it across your body and just work the control of the basketball. Okay, that's so key when doing these dribbling drills. All right, and to keep it simple again, our last one is going to be an in and out crossover while we walk. Okay, so all these are 15 to 20 seconds, or you're walking to half court and then dribbling back as well. Okay, so any of those combinations will be useful for you in game. Notice we're keeping everything in front of us and we're just working on the basic dribbling, okay? Our next thing that we're going to do with dribbling is we're going to get a little bit more intense with our dribbling, as we're going to make it more realistic, and we're going to get you into that hard drive to the elbow and work our crossover, our hard drive to the elbow. We're going to go through the legs, and then we haven't done behind the back today, but you're going to do a hard drive and you're going to go behind the back. Okay, you're more than welcome to lay up all of these, as we want you just to finish these layups when dribbling and using your footwork. All right, and then after that, go ahead and grab some water, as we're going to get back to it. And I'm glad you guys could join me on these two-a-days. This is perfect for you. Hope you're getting ready. All right, you haven't seen this drill in a while, but we're going to have our 2 cones kind of near that free throw line or that 3-point line, and we're going to work our footwork with our retreat dribbles. Okay, so we're going to plant our foot, we're going to retreat, we're going to work our crossover, we're going to bring it back, same thing, bring it back. I want you to do it 10 times. Yeah, I know, 10 times. It can get boring, but are you good at it? That's the question, right? So it's not about can you do it, it's are you good at it? Remember that, all right? And then we're going to do our retreat dribble. We're going to do our in and out dribble and attack, okay? And we're just going to keep it simple with those 2. We're going to go to the right side. We're going to go to the left side, okay? Then after we do that, there's one more thing left for you to do, and that's going to be conditioning with dribbling. Biggest thing about what people forget is when we dribble, it's not always when we're feeling fresh. It's usually when we're tired. So the biggest thing here is, can we dribble while we're tired? And can we keep control of that basketball? So you're going to have a 17 countdown. Oh yeah, that's right. We're going to do a 17 countdown, and we're going to see how that dribble looks with your weak hand as we continue to get better at it. Well, what's a 17 countdown, you ask, because you may be new to the channel? The importance here is running your 17 under a minute 10. If you can, we'll go a minute 20 if you're younger, and keeping control of that basketball the entire time in one hand. And what you have to do here is you're going to go 17, then you're going to go 15, then you're going to go 13, then you're going to go 11, then you're going to go 9, 7, 5, 3, and then 1 full court push. Now, you're asking me, do you do these in a row? No, you take a break in between. So you take about 30 to 50 seconds of rest in between, and then you'll go again. The biggest thing here is control. Can you control the ball? All right, basketball you. That's all I got for you. Thank you for joining me for the second time today, as we will continue to try to get better. And I will have new footage for you this week. Can't wait to show you. We're going to get better. And the reason why we're going to get better is because someone's always working. Are you?